Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D visualization with a fantastic new tool called Blendify. If you're involved in computer vision, computer graphics, or any field that involves working with 3D models, you're going to want to stick around for this. Blendify is a Python framework that makes it incredibly easy to create high-quality renderings using Blender, a powerful but notoriously complex 3D creation suite. Think of it as a bridge between your Python scripts and Blender's powerful rendering engine. What makes Blendify so special? Simplicity. Blendify provides a user-friendly API, abstracting away the complexities of Blender's native API. No need to wrestle with dozens of lines of code for a simple render. Blendify streamlines the process. Seamless integration. You can easily integrate Blendify into your existing Python workflows, whether you're working with point clouds, meshes, or even creating animations. Versatility. Blendify supports various features, including per-vertex colors, textures, advanced shadow control, and even the import and export of Blender files .blend. Let's look at some of the cool things you can do with Blendify. Render different data types, from depth maps and albedo renders to point clouds and fully textured meshes. Blendify handles it all with ease. Create stunning visualizations. Blendify lets you define complex materials, control lighting, and position cameras with simple commands, enabling you to create publication-ready visualizations. Generate animations. Blendify provides tools for interpolating camera trajectories, making it easy to create smooth camera movements for your animations or presentations. Work with large point clouds. Blendify even includes a utility for converting large point clouds into textured meshes, which can be particularly helpful for handling complex scenes. Speaking of getting started, we've made it super easy to jump right in. Head over to the Blendify GitHub repository, and you'll find a link to a Google Colab notebook. Let's take a look. Boom! Here we are in Colab. With this notebook, you can explore all of Blendify's features, play around with the example code, and even render your own 3D visualizations right here in your browser. No installation needed. It's that simple. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting out with 3D visualization, Blendify offers a powerful and accessible way to bring your ideas to life. It's completely open source and available on GitHub, so you can dive in and start experimenting today. Don't miss out on the latest developments. Subscribe to this channel.